are data centers so important? If you have ever used Microsoft Teams for work, first of all, I'm sorry. But secondly, you're utilizing a data center somewhere. If you're streaming a show on Netflix, uploading your photos to the cloud, all of that is being processed in a data center facility somewhere. So they're not just these nondescript buildings with a lot of servers inside. They are critical infrastructure necessary for day-to-day life. Just like the electrical grid or a highway, people use them every single day and don't even realize it. Taking a look at the total US supply as of Q1 2026. So at DC Byte, one of the things that we do when we look at these projects is we break down each project into 4 development phases. That's going to be early stage, committed, under construction, and live. Taking a look at early stage, that says projects without all required elements secured. What are those? It's going to be power, permitting, and land. Once you have all 3 of those items secured, it's going to move into that committed phase. Following that, under construction, it's not just that cute construction fence going up on the plot of land, it's actual vertical construction occurring on the site. Lastly, live, that's when it becomes operational. So if you've taken a notice at the numbers, live in the US as of Q1 2026 was just under 34 gigawatts. When we take a look at early stage alone, it's almost 150 gigawatts as of Q1 2026. That's already increased drastically since then.